Build a life that you do not need to escape from. This one is really serious, and a lot of people miss this. Many men spend their weeks waiting for Friday and their year waiting for vacation. That's not living, that's surviving. The goal is to build a life that grows and gives you peace every day. Yes, there's going to be some days that are a little off, but a life that gives you peace is so valuable that it's incalculable how valuable that is. So point one, simplicity. All right, keep it simple. Keep it simple. Simplify your life. The more you possess is the more that can get in the way. So more possessions, excuse me, don't always mean more happiness. A lot of people are always after stuff, but more is sometimes your stress. Sometimes less can create more joy, but that less needs to be real, not that fake fabricated stuff. All right, something that's real. So think of it, simplicity. Keep it simple. Simplify your life as much as possible because you don't need all that other stuff. Point two, protect your relationships. At the end of your life, people rarely wish that they had worked more. Invest in people who matter. Point three, find joy in ordinary days. You don't need extravagant moments every day. You know, a walk could be a beautiful thing. A coffee with your wife or significant other can be a beautiful thing. You know, time with your grandchildren or time with children that you consider to be like your grandchildren. All right. Reading a good book that gives you substance and meaning. Those moments become meaningful to your life. Point four, live intentionally. Don't drift. Choose how you spend your time because your calendar reveals your priorities. It truly does. If you are missing certain things, then you need to look at what you prioritized in front of those things that you now feel as though you're missing because that was a choice that you made. So now let's change our choices and start making better ones. Let's start moving to where we want to be and doing the things that we want to do. Again, you want to live a life that you don't want to have to escape from. You want a life that brings you joy, that brings you peace, that brings you happiness. And sometimes it's as simple as simplifying and getting rid of some of the junk that's cluttering up your life that doesn't mean anything to you. That could be your calendar, that could be your basement, that could be your closet, that could be your garage, that could be your apartment, that could be your room, office, doesn't matter. Don't build a life that you need to escape from. So, in closing, success isn't just what you earn, it's the quality of the life that you're building. If the quality of your life that you've built so far is not what you want, then you need to start doing some rebuilding, start doing some readjustments, and start making some change. This is Mr. Z Inspires. Thank you. Please follow us at www.mrzinspires.com. Follow us on YouTube. And again, if this resonates with you, share it with somebody that needs to hear it. Take care, be well, and you guys have a great day. Peace.